Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Astro A50 to Logitech G Hub. Alright, let's begin. First, set up the hardware. Plug the Astro base station directly into a USB port on your PC motherboard. Avoid USB hubs as they can cause detection issues. Place the headset correctly on the dock so it charges and syncs. Next, check the back of the base station for a toggle switch labeled Console and PC. Flip it to PC mode. Without this, Logitech G Hub will not recognize your headset. Now, download Logitech G Hub from Logitech's website, install it, and open the application. Your Astro A50 should appear instantly on the dashboard. Click it to adjust EQ profiles, side tone, and update firmware. If G Hub shows Not Connected, hard reset the headset by holding the Game and Dolby buttons together for 15 seconds. So that's basically how you can connect Astro A50 to Logitech G Hub. That's it for this video. Thanks.